Today, I bring you a super strategy that uses the ADX indicator and the alligator. The strategy that I am going to show you can be used in any type of financial asset and in any time frame. But as we always say, the higher the temporality, the more opportunities we will have to hit the trade. In my case, I am going to trade Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart. The first thing we will have to do is select the ADX indicator. We will put the parameter of 14, and we will change the ADX line to white. In case you don't know what the ADX indicator is, the ADX, Average Directional Movement Index, or Movement Index Average Directional, has 3 lines: ADX, white, plus die, green, and minus die, red. The ADX line indicates the strength of the current trend. If it is above the value of 20, the current strength is starting or has already started. The plus die line indicates the strength of the uptrend. If it is above the value of 20, this trend is strong. And the last line, the minus die, indicates the strength of the downtrend. If it is greater than 20, the downtrend is strong. A value below 20 would indicate that the trend is weak. If the ADX line is below its value of 20, the current strength of the market has decreased, and we can go into a range or sideways trend, the same as if all 3 lines are below 20. The next thing will be to select the alligator indicator. We will put this indicator with the following parameters: 50, 25, 12, 8, 5, 3. And with the following colors: blue for the jaws, red for the teeth, and green for the lips. The alligator will help us determine if a trend is taking place or has been confirmed. The alligator is made up of 3 lines called jaws, blue, teeth, red, and lips, green. The price is in an uptrend when the price is above the 3 alligator lines, and for a downtrend the price would be below the 3 alligator lines. Let's show it with an example of a buy trade. A buy trade will be opened when a candle opens above the green alligator line, and the plus die and ADX lines are above 20. If in addition the minus die line is below 20 and the green line of the alligator is above the red and blue line, the signal will be more reliable. We will place our stop loss at the last low and our take profit at the support and resistance zones, with a minimum risk-benefit ratio of 1.51. Let us now see an example of a sell operation. A sell trade will be opened when a candle opens below the green alligator line and the minus die and ADX lines are above 20. If in addition the plus die line is below 20 and the green line of the alligator is below the red and blue line, the signal will be more reliable. We will place our stop loss at the last high and our take profit at the support and resistance zones, with a minimum risk-benefit ratio of 1.51. Let's see some more examples. And ready? I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.